Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can join a Roblox group on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. In the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find your installed games and applications. In the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find games, media. Here, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to join a Roblox group on the PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is go to the game base. In order to go to the game base, just go ahead and click on the PlayStation button on your controller. Then right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of these options right here. Here you're gonna find home, switcher, notifications, game base, music, and so on. So go ahead and click on game base. And then right here, you're gonna find your friends. Here you're gonna find parties, messages, and lastly right here you're gonna find Discord. So basically guys, if you want to join a Roblox server, firstly go ahead and link your Discord account by clicking on link account and then click on link, then just scan this QR code with your mobile device, and once you do that you're gonna be able to connect Discord to your PlayStation account. Then all you need to do guys is join the Roblox server, and then you're gonna be able to access the Roblox group from your PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.